Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and colleagues. I am your friend Shahid Abbas from Shahid Abbas Tutorial. Today I am going to tell you about the types of writing system. We are studying uh, study skills and types of writing, and today the writing systems. A writing system is a method of visually representing the verbal communication based on a script and a set of rules regulating its use. While both writing and speech are useful in conveying the messages, writing differs in also being a reliable form of information storage and the transfer. Writing system requires shared understanding between the writers and the readers of the meaning behind the set of the characters that make up a script. Writing is usually recorded onto a durable medium such as paper or electronic storage, although non-durable methods may also be used, such as writing on a computer display, on a blackboard, in sand, or by a skywriting, etc. Reading a text can be accomplished purely in the mind as an internal process or expressed orally. We discussed the different types of writing system like Abjads are consonants alphabets. This is called Abjads are consonants alphabets have independent letters for consonants and may indicate vowels using some of the consonants letters and are which diacritics. In Abjads such as Arabic and Hebrew, full vowels indication vocalization is only used in the specific context such as in religious books and children's books. Second one, alphabets. Alphabets are the phonemic alphabets are sets of the letters that represent consonants and the vowels. In some languages such as Cyrillic, uh, each letter or combination of letter represents the one sound, while in others such as English, letters might represent a variety of sounds or the same sounds can be written in different ways. The third one is abugidas, syllabic alphabets. Syllabic alphabets, alpha syllabaries or abugidas are writing systems in which the main elements is the syllable. Syllables are built up of the consonants, each of which has an inherent vowels. For example, ka, kha sound, ga, ga sound. Diacritic symbols are used to change or mute the inherent vowels, and separate vowels letters may be used when vowels occur at the beginning of a syllable or on their own. Syllabaries. The fourth type is syllabaries. A syllabary is a phonetic writing system consisting of the symbols representing the syllables. A syllable is often made up of a consonant plus a vowel or a single vowel. Number five type is cemento-phonetic writing system. This is most important. This symbol used in the cemento-phonetic writing system often represent both sounds and meanings. Uh, these cemento means meaning phonetic means sounds. As a result, such scripts generally include a large number of symbols, anything from the several hundred to ten of thousands. In fact, there is no theoretical upper limit to the number of the symbols in some scripts, such as Chinese. These scripts could also be called logophonetics, morphophonemic, logographic, or logosyllabic. Cemento-phonetic writing systems may include the following types of symbols, for example, pictograms and logograms. Pictograms are pictographs resemble the things they represent. Logograms are symbols they represent parts of words or whole words. So these were the basic and major types of writing system. Hopes you will understand easily, inshallah. Okay, goodbye.